Good Tuesday, everyone. Looking at our 5-day forecast. Clouds and sun today. Windy. Wind gusts at 35 miles per hour, but highs around 60, so at least it's mild. Keep in mind we are under a wind advisory that begins this afternoon and goes through the night. Speaking of tonight, showers likely, 50% chance of those. 35 mile per hour wind gust. Lows only around 50 though. Very mild night. Very mild temperatures for this time of the year until we get to Thursday night. Then Wednesday, clouds and sun, perhaps an isolated sprinkle or shower. 25 mile per hour wind gust, highs in the low 60s. Wednesday night showers become likely, possibly even some rumbles of thunder. Lows in the mid 50s with 35 mile per hour wind gust. Strong storms are possible to our west Wednesday night. I'll keep an eye on that, make sure none of those get over here. Thursday, strong to severe thunderstorms are possible. 35 mile per hour wind gusts from the south throughout the day. 90% chance of those showers and thunderstorms, highs in the low 60s. And then Thursday night, the bottom drops out. Rain, 25 mile per hour wind gust, temperatures falling into the mid to upper 20s, which means some of that rain could change to snow on the backside of that system. Right now, impacts are uncertain, but they're looking minimal. I'll keep an eye on that too. Highs Friday only in the mid to upper 30s, and then 20 degrees Friday night with 20 mile per hour wind gusts. Let's hope that forecast changes for those winds, because that would be a bite to that wind. On Saturday, 50 degrees with sunshine, and we begin another warming trend. So this is looking at temperature and precip throughout the day. So most of our day is very dry. It's not until you get until 8, 9, 10 o'clock that you start seeing rain chances tick up, kind of maximizing around midnight, but temperatures staying very mild. This is wind speeds and gusts, so getting into some very windy conditions by around the noon hour. Winds will be gusting into the 20 mile per hour zones. It's not until we get into around 5, 6, 7 o'clock that winds start trying to top 30 miles per hour, possibly maximizing at around that 8, 9, 10 o'clock hour at 35 miles per hour. Could be some isolated gusts of 40 around the area, and then dropping back down, winds dropping back off again as we go through the morning tomorrow. On this day in 1784, ice floes blocked the Mississippi River at New Orleans. My goodness, the only other time that's occurred is in the Great Arctic Outbreak of 1899. In 2004, Dallas got 3 inches of snow on Valentine's Day, which absolutely obliterated Valentine's flower deliveries. It was the greatest snowfall since 1978, and of course no one knows how to drive in that, and so it is a big hot mess. You folks have a wonderful Valentine's Day, and keep looking up. For more weather information, keep reading along that blog, meteorologistmark.com.